Hello everybody. If you're looking at your viewfinder and it's blurry, and on the LCD screen it's not, it's very sharp here, blurry here, chances are it's not broken. Like this one, I just got this yesterday, this video camera and a camcorder, and when I look at the eyepiece it was blurry, and here it was very sharp. So the thing you need to look for is around the viewfinder eyepiece area. There should be a little dial, the diopter. It's right. This particular one is on the side. I'm not sure if you can pick it up. I might take a picture for you guys, but all you need to do is just turn it left or right, depending on which way it got blurred. So once you put your eye here, and just keep adjusting this part here until you get it sharp. So once you get it sharp, then you're done. Alright, so if you ever get something new or an old one that somehow this thing get moved, just check the diopter, and that should fix your blurry viewfinder. Alright, so if you like this video, I hope this helped. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.